Hi, I'm Charles. I'm a product manager, a dad, and a mentor. I'm also fanatic about rock and roll. This is our idea. Radical thinking. And it's basically asking yourself one simple question. Is the decision reversible or irreversible? And basically, if it's reversible, that means that you can very easily roll back or undo the decision. And therefore, it's useless to spend too much time thinking about it, too much time gathering information. Just make the call, you go for it. And if it's the wrong decision, then you roll back. If it's irreversible, then you need to spend some time gathering the right information. There is another trick to that. Navigate best on the optimal speed theory, which means that you should not spend more than 37% of your time just trying to find information on which you base the decision. And that allows you to make quick, good decisions. If you spend more than 27% of your time and effort on trying to gather information, the returns are only marginal. So it's not worth doing. So make those decisions quick and make the right decision.